Decision making under pressure. Decision is pending, task is delayed, approval is awaited, everybody is looking at you to take the decision, pressure is mounting on you, and yet you are unable to take the right call. So what really happens here? यहाँ पे हुआ सिर्फ इतना सा है कि अक्सर औकात जल्दबाजी में ऐसा लग रहा होता है कि डिसीजन हम रश करके ले रहे हैं. It is not about leaders avoiding to take decisions, but it is more around that everything seems to be important at the same time. And in many organizations, speed is preferred over thinking, and reactions are sort of preferred over at times clarity. So what happened is that people do take quick decisions, although revisit them at a later stage, and that created all the confusion, frustration, and at times stress as well. So what steps are helpful in this situation when you are tasked to take decision under pressure? Well, there are 3 simple steps that can help you take the right decisions under pressure, starting with 1, that is take small pauses. Even a small pause is very helpful at times to just give you a reflection time, and you can get back to your normal mode. Number 2, you need to segregate urgent versus important, and that's where you can help yourself in identifying those who are urgent and those who are important only options, so that you can be able to take a good decision. And last but not the least, number 3 and far most important point is that you have to take the decision based on the available data you have, not the ideal set of data points that you have in your mind or you have somewhere in your archive. In order to conclude this video, I can only say that pressure will always be there, but it is not just about pressure, because better decisions come from control, not from speed. And leaders who truly value the kind of decisions they have to take, they wait for the right decision rather than they just quickly go and take the decision. So they evaluate all the possible options and then they make the right call under pressure. That is what the requirement from all of us as leaders in such situations. Thank you so much.